Hey friends, this is Latif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP coin. As in my previous video, we have seen that the XRP has broken down the support of an up channel that was formed on the daily chart. Now in today's video, we will try to understand what the price action can do next. First of all, I would like to show you the head and shoulder pattern that is formed on the daily chart, and we will also watch the down channel, the new down channel that has been formed on the daily chart, and the different simple moving averages as well, and the different support and resistance levels on the long-term chart. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you this very interesting and very important and big bullish move that the XRP is setting up for the next bullish rally. First of all, I would like to show you this move. That first, the XRP formed the head and shoulder pattern that was started in December 2019. This was the left shoulder, and this was the head, and this was the right shoulder, and it was completed here in March, in the mid of March 2020. And after that, the price action started another head and shoulder after the mid of March. This was the left shoulder, and then the price action formed the head of this pattern, and this is the right shoulder that has been formed. And finally, the price action has found a very strong support at the neckline of this short head and shoulder pattern, because if the price action after the formation or completion of the head and shoulder pattern, price action moves at the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, and this is the neckline, then the pattern is completed. Now it is not mandatory for the price line to move more down because the pattern is at this level, the pattern has been completed. However, it is possible that the price action will move more down, like it was moved here in the month of March, when it has completed its right shoulder. Now it is likely to find a strong support level at here at the neckline. And if we watch on the daily chart, then the price action has also formed a down channel, and at this time the price action is at the resistance of the channel. Therefore, we can expect that the price action will move to the downside at the support of the channel, because whenever it is reaching at the resistance of the channel, after that, after being rejected from the resistance, it is moving down at the support of the channel. However, it is also possible that the price action will try to break out this resistance, but there are less chances that the price action will break out this resistance, and more chances that it will be dropped up to this support of the down channel, or at least up to this neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. Because if we watch the different moving averages with the time period of 50, 100, and 200, then at this time the price line of Ripple having a very strong resistance level of 50 and 100 simple moving averages. And after these two simple moving averages, the price action has also another very strong resistance level of 200 simple moving average. Therefore, it will be really very difficult for the price line to cross up or break out this resistance of the channel as well, because at the same time it is fighting or struggling with the resistance of this up channel and the resistance of these moving averages as well. And if we watch on the long-term support and resistance level, then still we have a long-term resistance at 17.5 cents, this blue line, and the long-term and key level resistance at 31 cents. And I'm expecting that once the price action will be able to cross up this 31 cent resistance level, as you can see that this is really very strong and key level resistance for the price line. It has been breaking as a support here since August 2018, and after that, when it was broken down in August 2019. Since then, it is working as a strong resistance for the price line. And once the price line will be able to break out this 31 cents resistance level, then definitely it will achieve some really very big price range or the goal. And if we watch on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart, then it has also formed another very big bullish butterfly pattern. This is the initial leg, and A to B leg is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Then we have the projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. Then finally, the price action was completing this final leg when I published this chart on 31st of May. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that finally the price action has been entered in this potential reversal zone that starts from 2028 satoshis and ends up to 1548 satoshis. By the way, this is the XRP with Bitcoin chart. Previously we were doing discussion about the XRP with US dollar pair, and it has completed the formation of the bullish butterfly with Bitcoin pair. Definitely if the price action will be moved up against the BTC, definitely it will also move against the US dollar as well. So this was the update so far by the price action of XRP. I hope that you have liked the video. Do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel as well, and do share my videos as well, and do share your comments as well. Take care. Goodbye.